All right. Well, wait. Let's one thing though. If you have another sneezing booger fest,
Yeah.
we should probably cut.
James McCausland said that was his favorite part of the podcast. So, literally our only fan. Literally our only fan.
Oh, yeah.
So.
We gotta give them what they want. I mean, more so, right? You know what? Let's ramp it up. Let's get real boogery.
Double down.
I found it quite disturbing to listen to.
Sweet.
Also, I happened to be listening to it while I was making breakfast. It was like, oh, God.
It wasn't that bad.
It was pretty bad. All right, well, hey. Maybe we'll be like the gross out guys.
Oh, yeah? We just fart for 20 minutes as an intro?
Yeah. Just hour-long farts.
I don't know if I can fart that long.
Just go like...
Movies
for dudes.
It's not even that gross, though.
No?
No, I want to see the fart.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, that's how...
I want a ripple effect.
Mist.
This is awful. You don't want fart mist. No.
Yeah,
that's too gross. That's too much. You're in a fart mist situation, and it's not your fart mist, and you're watching that, you're there live.
Yeah.
Like, what are you into at that point?
Yeah, I want...
You're
you want to be really funny? Steve-O should do this. Should just put glitter on his asshole and fart. It was like a glittery fart.
That's had to have been done. Someone's done that. That's a good idea. That's too good not to have been done already.